Good morning, students. As we have completed the two chapters, one poem, now we'll move ahead with another chapter, chapter number 8 from your Beehive textbook, Reach for the Top. In this chapter, we'll have two parts, first part and second part. In both the parts, we'll discuss about that woman empowerment, one type of woman empowerment and the success of that female. In first part, we discuss about the person who is very famous and that she is only the one lady who has twice climbed the mountain Mount Everest. So the name of the lady is Santosh Yadav. Santosh Yadav was born in a small village named Joniavas in Rewari district of Haryana. As guys, we have heard the Rewari district and Haryana in that two very famous as well as that what we can say highest score, too much famous one of two movie which was too much famous like Dangal and the Sultan. Both the movies were belonging from that kind of Rewari district, Haryana. From there, that Santosh Yadav was belonging. Santosh Yadav was born. Again, I am repeating that Santosh Yadav was born in small village named Joniavas, Rewari district, Haryana. She was born in that kind of surrounding area or that kind of society where the girl child was like a curse for them. Even they are not welcomed in the society. Each and every family needs the boy child only. Her mother is having a wish that definitely she'll have a girl child. At that moment, one day, one good person came to her house and he has given the blessings. He has given the blessings to that mother of that Santosh Yadav that you are going to be a mother of boy child in few months. When this statement was heard by the grandmother of Santosh, she directly reached in front of him and said that please don't give this kind of blessings because we want and especially I want a girl child in my house. So just change your blessings. While forcing this kind of statement, that strange person has changed his statement and gave a blessing to be a mother of girl child. And that blessings seemed to work. Within few months, the Santosh as a girl child was born. She was the only sister of 5 brothers. She had 5 brothers and she is the 6th number child in her family. Everyone was too much happy, including her mother as well as the grandmother. Then she slowly and gradually she grown up. She started her education in village. Before that, since childhood, from her childhood, she has decided in her mind that definitely I will do something extra or something change in my society, as well as I need to change the rules and regulation as well as the rituals of my society. So she started wearing shorts. Comparing to her at that time, that means on that time, that the female and the girls are most probably they are wearing dresses and sari. She changed the rituals and started wearing shorts. She has also given the statement that if you are doing something correct thing, that no need to change yourself. The society will directly follow you. No need to change your opinion, no need to change your views. While observing you, the society will change their mind. Like that, she has given the statement, she is belonging a rich family. Even her parents can afford to give her education in high profile school. But though just because of that rituals and all, she spent her education, first education in village. After that, one day she directly for higher study, she directly reached to that New Delhi, and she has taken that admission over there. When she asked her parents for paying a fees, at that moment her parents denied, because she has taken the admission over here against the decision of their parents, her parents. So her parents denied for the paying fees. So she said that okay, I don't have a problem. If you are not going to pay the fees, I will start the part-time job for paying my school fees. Then her parents agreed to pay the fees. After completing the higher grade studies, she directly went to the Jaipur and take the admission in Maharani College and got the room over there in Kasturba Hostel. Maharani College and Kasturba Hostel, she got a room. She started her education like that means college and all. As she was observing from since many days from her room that many villagers are going behind that Aravalli Hills, because that hostel was situated just beside the Aravalli Hills. So every day some persons are going behind that Aravalli Hills and suddenly they vanish. So for excitement and for getting knowledge, one day she reached there. At that place she found few mountaineers. And that's why she has asked, that means she has taken the permission that can I do these things? Can I do that mountaineering things? And that mountaineer has given the affirmative response, that means positive response. They said that of course you can do. And then she started to take the training from them and to learn the mountaineering, climbing or mountaineering things. Slowly and gradually she just moved on and on. As she was having that kind of belief that in April month my college exam is going to be end, and that's why she wants to take the admission in Nehru Institution at Uttarkasi for mountaineering training. So she has decided that kind of things, but unfortunately or due to some reason, her college education, that means college exam, is ended in the month of May only, and or the dated on 19th of May, and 21st of May she needs to reach over there anyhow. So just completed her graduation and directly she reached to that Nehru Institution of Mountaineering at Uttarkasi. After reaching over there, she had written one apology letter to her father informing about the situation, and she said that due to this kind of harsh situation, I have not informed you, as well as I have not given any kind of information about this mountaineering college and all. I got the admission over here. There she spent 4 years. In 1992, she became the successful mountaineer. She started to give the training. In 1992, she climbed the mountain, Mount Everest. After 1 year, again she climbed the Mount Everest. That means total 2 times she has completed her journey for mountaineering. She got that Padma Shri award also for this kind of achievement. While mountaineering, even one time she has saved one follower's life. Actually, two was there, but she saved the life of one of them while sharing her oxygen with that teammates. She has shared her oxygen with the teammates and saved the life of that person. As an environmentalist, she has also taken out the rubbish, garbage from the Mount Everest. She has taken out the garbage of 500 kilograms. 500 kilograms of garbage she has taken out from that Mount Everest, and she became, that means she feel proud to be an Indian person. This is the part 1 about the Santosh Yadav. I hope you understood. If you will have a query or doubt, in online session we'll solve your doubts. Bye bye.